If I count 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, what is your reaction going to be if I say you only have a chance now to start? What are you going to do? There's those people that make things happen. There's those that look at things that are happening. There's those that are holding back, watching what is happening. What kind of person are you? What if your delay is actually a setup? Most people quit very early in life. They don't go through with the process. They give up before they even see any results. Winners stay in the process. Fast money fades quickly. Build an income that lasts. Your breakthrough is not late. It's being prepared for you. Let's turn your phone into an income without chasing people. Comment start and I will guide you step by step. Don't be the person that looks around and does nothing. If you keep on looking around, what result are you going to get?